Today, I'm going to draw a Gigantosaurus. Let's start! Giganto is just a peaceful dinosaur, enjoying peace and quiet. Regularly taking naps in broad daylight or going for a walk around aimlessly. Giganto possesses a very great physical strength. Pushing swarms trample the earth with one step. He can easily knock down blocks of ice, root trees, and lift rocks. Giganto also has a very powerful tail capable of smashing a huge, barely smashed meteorite and huge blocks of ice with just a few hits. He is considered the strongest dinosaur in Cretaceous. Now, let's start coloring. First, color his body with lime green. Then, color his strong jaw and belly with beige. Color his sharp spikes with orange. Then, color his teeth and nails with light yellow. His tongue with red, and inside of the mouth with pink. There! Gigantosaurus! Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.